interior comparison between the 2026 Toyota Ativ-GR Parts/GR Sport and the 2026 MG5 highlights two distinct approaches to the subcompact sedan segment: a sporty, factory-modified look versus a sleek, coupe-inspired design. Here is a breakdown of the key exterior differences. Toyota Ativ-GR Sport Parts, Exterior. The Ativ-GR Sport is essentially the top-spec Ativ, or Vios in some markets, with an aggressive, performance-inspired aesthetic package. Design philosophy: sporty and assertive. The look is based on the standard Ativ sleek, fastback-like profile but aggressively enhanced with Gazoo Racing GR elements. Key GR features: parts. Body kit: a full GRS body kit is added, typically including a redesigned front bumper skirt, side skirt set, rear bumper skirt, and a rear spoiler. These parts add visual bulk in a lower stance. Grille: features a newly designed front grille with the GR logo. Wheels: newly designed 17-inch alloy wheels, Source 1.1. Accents: often includes a black roof and black accents for a two-tone, sporty look, Source 1.1, 4.3. Lighting: full LED headlights are standard across the Ativ range, with the top variants getting LED tail lights with sequential turn signals, Source 1.5, 2.4. Dimensions: standard Ativ slightly smaller than the MG5, measuring 4,425 mm, length, and 1,740 mm, width, Source 1.2. MG5 Exterior, most affordable sedan. The MG5 adopts a more elegant, contemporary, and larger design, often praised for offering a premium look at an affordable price point. Design philosophy: sleek, coupe-inspired, and modern. It aims for a more luxurious and distinctive appearance in its segment. Key styling elements. Profile: features a fastback or coupe-inspired profile with a flowing roofline and sharp edges, Source 3.2, 3.3. Front fascia: a freshly redesigned front end with a modern, sleek grille, often with a detailed three-dimensional pattern, and thin, sharp LED headlights, Source 3.1, 3.3. MG calls its design language Eagle Eye, Source 3.2. Wheels: typically comes with 16-inch dual-tone alloy wheels, Source 3.1, 3.3. Luxury touches: available features often include an electric sunroof and a thin chrome strip connecting the headlights or extending along the side, Source 3.1, 3.3. Dimensions: it is typically larger than the Toyota Ativ, with a length around 4,715 mm and a width around 1,842 mm, Source 3.2. This results in a more substantial road presence. In essence, the Toyota Ativ-GR Sport uses its exterior parts to emphasize dynamism and performance, clearly signaling its sporty intent. The MG5 leans into a perceived premium and contemporary look, leveraging its larger dimensions and coupe silhouette to offer a striking presence for an affordable sedan. Would you like a comparison of the interior features or the safety technologies of these two sedans?